The job would also not have been complete without the effort of all and sundry. Complete without the effort of all and sundry. This combined effort enabled the Ashanti region to place first throughout the country in terms of votes that were obtained the presidential candidates. Now the president. We had 1,647,274 valid votes in the 2016 in election for then presidential candidate Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. We beat our main opponent, the NDC, by over 1,150,039 votes. This represents 30% of the total presidential vote in the country. Out of the 169 seats that the MPP has in parliament, the Ashanti region alone contributes 44 members, representing 26% of the seats the party has in parliament. Various persons contributed in various ways. Youthful aspirants, like Dr. Mwaku Tufo, time, money, prayers, logistics, wisdom, intelligence, physical strength, and experience. The party is extremely grateful to all such people. Let me state that this extraordinary conference is being held in the Ashanti region at the time the work has begun towards the construction and ultra-modern office complex befitting the status of a great party in the stronghold. Mr. Chairman, this office complex, upon the completion, will be named after our very own Otumfuo Chiame Bafo Osei-Akoto in honor of this valuable contribution to the formation of this tradition. At this juncture, let me single out an individual who has contributed greatly towards the realization of the dream. He is the captain of all millionaires in Ghana, Nana Kwasi Nkansah Boadua Yeboah the first. It is my hope that the next time we gather as a party faithful in the region, we will be doing so in Ochiame Bafo Osei-Akoto Ultramodern Conference Hall, which is currently under construction. Your Excellency, as chairman of this region, my interest, my dream is to see that by the end of the day, we will have the fruitful deliberation and arrive at the decision that will further strengthen the structures of this party and ensure that every member, particularly the hard-working delegates and the full soldiers, are ultimate beneficiaries of this party. I would also like to repeat my pledge that before I end my tenure as a regional chairman of this party, every single parliamentary seat in the Ashanti region will be in the hands of the great MPP party in Ashanti. Once again, let me welcome everybody to Kumasi, the Ashanti regional capital, and I wish all of us a fruitful discussion. You are blessed. You are blessed. Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana. You are blessed, the MPP. You are blessed, everybody here. You are blessed. You are blessed. You are blessed.